Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this orange and cyan filter on Adobe Lightroom. So we're just going to start here. For exposure, we're going to set it to 0.18. For contrast, we're going to set it at 17. For highlights, we're going to set it at 23. And for shadows, we're going to do minus 15. For the whites, we're going to do 12. And for the blacks, we're going to do negative 15. Like so. Whoops. Hello. We're going to skip the point curve here. And we're going to go to tint at 16%. For vibrance, we are going to make it at 10%. For saturation, we're going to do minus 7. For the color mixer, we're going to do this. So for the red, we're going to do 15. Oh. Well, I can't do this because I have to start a free trial. But you're going to do hue 15, saturation minus 15, luminance 12. For orange, you're going to do hue at 0, saturation at minus 49, and luminance at 47. Yellow, hue is minus 85. Saturation is 85 and luminance is at 16. Green, hue at minus 100, saturation at 55 and luminance at 14. Cyan, which is this one, at hue at minus 100, saturation at 100, luminance at 27. And blue, hue at minus 100, saturation at 100, and luminance at 22. Then you're going to add in some effects to it. So texture 15, clarity 11, and then vignette, you're going to do minus 14. And for the detail, you're going to do sharpening at 18, noise reduction at 21. And color noise reduction at 13. You're also going to enable these two optics here. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.